Okay, so I want to remove the RAM from my Compaq Presario 2100 series laptop. Maybe you want to add some new RAM, a little upgrade. This is pretty easy. This little icon right here actually says RAM. So what you want to do, you got two screws right here. Just unscrew these. Pop this lid off. And inside, right here, you can see the RAM chip. Now it's got two little holders right here holding it in. What you do is just take it and pull those to the side, and the RAM actually pops up. And then you just pull it out. Put it back in. As you can see, this is keyed right here. You just want to line it up, push it back in until these little holders pop it into place. And that's all there is to it.